Hello, I'm going to show you how to remove pink line issue in Galaxy S phones. This is a temporary solution and not much eye candy, however cheap and effective. Some of the early models got this pink line issue, like this, and few of the Galaxy S8s also. When I took it to repair shops, they all asked around $200 to $300 for screen replacement. And also, if you are going to buy a used phone, press this area and see if a pink line appears. All you need is a binder clip to solve this issue. You can connect this binder clip this way. See, the pink line is almost gone. You can readjust it until it disappears. This is a temporary solution and I used my phone like this for about 5 months until I get a new phone. Hope this helps and talk to you again soon. Thank you.